And we've decided to do something different today and do a little shopping, and we've ended up here in downtown Stuart, Florida. Never been here. We found a sweet shop. Sweets. So what have we got that we're already wearing on our face?
TGIF ice cream.
Just covered.
You got like Oreo, Saya? What is it? Head nod?
No, she's not active. I think Susan is more active.
So good you can't even think of it. And what did Mom get?
Spend all day.
Chocolate?
Anybody can spend all day. Where are you going? Go back.
And I got lemonade. I watched him squeeze the lemons. Oh, it's so good. Shopping.
Doesn't have fire ants?
Okay, look at me.
The tree
With fire ants.
with fire ants.
Want to go there? Where are you going?
Looks like it's about to rain again. That time of day. Boy, this is a pretty place. It's like San Francisco, the world's crookedest sidewalk.
I wanted to go on that boardwalk, but it takes too long.
City of Stuart.
And a little bit thunderstorm.
I don't know. I would get inside with the way this lightning is going.
Oh, she's trying to catch them as they go by. That's got to be pretty disheartening.
Yeah, then selling that expensive perfume and stuff. Let's don't say that too loud.
What?
Like give away the secret.
Of what?
I don't know. Downtown Stuart.
You put on to make the wrinkles go away.
Huh.
Oh. Yeah, that's why I took
There's some wrinkles you can't make go away.
I have the kind of wrinkles that won't go away. Mine are permanent.
Wow, it's really coming down here.
Coming down up there, it's going to be like this all the way across the lake.
Maybe. Let's go down to the other side of this downtown area. See what's over there in the rain. And they say the bright line will come through here.
Yeah,
When is that going to happen?
it's already happening. It goes from, I think it goes from Stuart, no, it goes from West Palm Beach down to Miami.
Wow.
That's a long.
And how fast does a bright line go?
110 miles an hour, 135 miles an hour, whatever.
Oh, well that's nice.
But they can't do that from town. So every time they come to town, they have to slow down.
Yeah, well,
80.
that's what it says here. Trains may exceed 80 miles an hour. Be careful. It's the other side of downtown Stuart. This would be the side facing the train tracks. There's that ice cream shop we went to.
Which way are you going back? On 95?
Oh, no, probably not.
Or just stop and go, There's some more stores here, aren't there?
Yeah,
There's a Riverwalk, Museum,
Italian cuisine.
coffee.
Oh, coffee, breakfast and lunch. It's not open now. Waterfront. All right. We're in a severe thunderstorm warning. Check the no rotation.
Oh! God. That was close.
I caught it on video.
Oh my God. Okay, a little bit. Yeah. That's the thing you put up in your RV.
Yeah, we're ducking and covering because of hail. Is it still hailing?
Continue for 18 miles.
Yeah, sometimes it's brief. I think so. But you never know if it's going to be brief. Look at that camper van right there. If the hail is going to be really brief or it's going to
Continue for 18 miles.
or if it's going to turn into golf balls. We're in Stuart. And there's severe weather all the way up the coast here. Well, here's where we're going. And there's so severe storm there. It's going to be rain. Torrential rain as we're coming into Port St. Lucie. Can't even see ahead. Yeah, we're in Port St. Lucie. Can't even see very far ahead of us. Got cars with their flasher lights going.
Flasher on? Honey, don't swerve.
We got everything. We got high winds. We got hail. Got blinding torrential rain.
Oh, the sign came down.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Yeah, the sign.
There we go. There's a gas station. Can we get over there? No.
No, you can't. It's not turn lane.
There's a gas station. No. Yeah. Yeah, that's the other thing you get blocked out of a gas station.
I think the hills are really not big.
It blew the Wendy sign out.
There again, there's something that fell.
Oh, we can't even see in front of us.
Yeah,
We're doing about 15 miles an hour. This is the equivalent of, I don't know, tropical storm. The lightning is just, uh-oh. The wind just really picked up. You gotta watch these trees, they don't come down on us. What?
Blinkers.
Rotation? Let me see. Yeah, we are in between Port St. Lucie and Fort Pierce. There may be some rotation out to sea. We're still 18 miles from our KOA. I hope it's not doing this there.
Is that what? Bad sense? Oh, whoa.
Wow.
That's probably why the dogs were like, when we left, they probably sensed that.
I can't get over for them.
No. Oh. Ambulance. Oh, was he behind us?
Yeah.
Oh.
Not to mention all the flooding. Wow.
How is it there?
Jeepers.
Fun. Oh my god.
Luke, don't add to it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
Old Rich Road, next signal. It's a little after 5 and we're coming up to Old Rich Road and US 1 North.
We are 7 miles away.
Coming home to our drowned RV park. See if we're if our home our RV is actually there. There's a
There's a new.
Cruise America. That's the size we wanted to get. The air conditioner didn't work.
Mom, you know how much that is for 2 weeks?
Oh, it looks like the RV is there.
How much? 4,000
Jeez.
to rent for 2 weeks. To rent.
All right. Good luck to you.
Well, one by one.
I'll watch you drown. Our towels are not dry anymore.
No.
Oh, the weather is so gorgeous right now. Except for the rain. Zach is using the wet dry vac that my dad loaned us to vacuum out the RV. And of course, is causing Miss Stella here to panic. Right, Stella? You scared? You scared? First there's lightning, then it's a vacuum.